It doesn't make headlines, but one incorrect, missing, or misplaced label can turn a perfectly built product into a liability. It's not just a quality control issue, it's a regulatory risk, a brand reputation hit, and in some industries, a safety hazard. The ripple effects of a labeling mistake can be immense. Product recalls, fines, lost customer trust. And yet it often gets chalked up to human error. But in today's world of digital transformation, that's no longer an acceptable explanation. Mislabeling is preventable, and it's a system failure, not a human inevitability. So the real question isn't if a manual labeling process will break down. It's when and what the cost will be. To eliminate mislabeling, we need to move from reactive damage control to proactive system design. Here's how. Complexity breeds error. Start by simplifying your naming conventions across SKUs, components, and variants. Centralize all label data in a single authoritative source. Standardize formats to remove ambiguity and reduce operator guesswork. This clarity sets the stage for consistency and makes errors far less likely. Manual labeling is outdated. Today, technology offers tools to make mislabeling nearly impossible. Use barcodes and RFID to create a real-time match between physical product and digital record. Automate label printing and application using integrated systems, ensuring correct placement every time. For verification, vision inspection systems catch issues in real time. Wrong labels, misalignment, illegibility. And when your ERP and MES systems are integrated, label generation becomes automatic and error-proof, triggered directly from the production order. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision at scale, reducing waste, rework, and cost. Technology is only as strong as the processes and people behind it. Create multi-stage quality checks, from label artwork verification to final inspections. Link labeling systems to your batch and lot controls for full traceability. Write clear, visual work instructions for every labeling task. Most importantly, train your people, not just in how, but in why accuracy matters. Build a culture where team members are encouraged to flag inconsistencies and take ownership of quality. Empowered employees are your first line of defense. Preventing mislabeling isn't a one-time fix. It's an ongoing commitment. Conduct regular, surprise audits of your labeling process. When an issue occurs, dig deep. Find the root cause and address it systemically. Set up feedback loops from your operators, quality team, and even customers. Their insights are gold. Stay current on technology, compliance standards, and best practices. Continuous improvement isn't just for compliance, it's your edge in a competitive market. The cost of implementing these systems and training is minimal compared to a single major labeling incident. One mistake can mean a recall, a regulatory penalty, or even a threat to human safety. But we have the tools, we have the knowledge, and we have the responsibility. Let's make every label a mark of precision, a reflection of your commitment to excellence. Let's make mislabeling a thing of the past. If you found this episode valuable, subscribe for more insights. And if you're ready to strengthen your labeling process, contact Automation Distribution today.